In this video, I will show you step by step how to start making money as an affiliate marketer without a blog or any followers on social media, and it is applicable in every country. This means you can use this method successfully even in Africa, for example in Nigeria, Ghana, Cameroon, just to name a few. If you don't know me, I am Bobe Chiambah, founder and CEO of C Media Group, where we leverage the power of media and technology to empower you. So without any further ado, let's dive in. This type of affiliate marketing is a way you can leverage Pinterest to earn commissions by promoting other people's or companies' products. If you find a product you like, share it with your audiences and earn a percentage of the sale when someone buys through your link. Pinterest is the renowned visual search engine and can be your ideal solution for affiliate marketing without a blog or a website. The platform allows you to monetize your profile from different types of pins. Adding referral links to these pins allows you to redirect potential customers to opt-in pages, landing pages, or merchants' websites. When a user clicks on these links on Pinterest, they will visit your page and might take desirable actions like purchase something, provide email addresses, etc. You earn commissions from successful affiliate sales. According to Global Affiliate Marketing Statistics in 2023, more than 42% of affiliate marketers choose Pinterest to start their business. Step number 1. Create a Pinterest business account. You need a business account, not a personal one, to start affiliate marketing on Pinterest. If you are fresh on this social media platform, here's how you can create one. 1. Click sign up on the top right of your screen to create a business account. Enter required information. Fill in the fields to describe your business. Choose whether you want to run ads or not. Choose whether you would like to start or click cancel to head to your new business account. In case you already have a Pinterest account, this is how you can link the two together. 1. Log into your personal account. Click add account. 2. Click create a free business account. 3. Click create a linked business account. 4. Click create a linked account and fill in all the necessary information like before. Step 2. Pick a niche. This is one of the most crucial steps in your affiliate marketing journey. You will not want to promote random affiliate products or services on Pinterest. The platform might view your account as spamming and eventually remove it. Plus, it will confuse your audience. Since they cannot identify your main products, how can you become a niche authority in their eyes? Find a niche you are genuinely interested in, so it is easy to recommend goods related to the category. However, make sure your niche also matches what the Pinterest target audience usually looks for. When other users are intrigued by your pins, they will likely click on them or share them on their boards. If you want to do affiliate marketing on Pinterest without a blog, try these visual niches to win your audience heart. Beauty and personal care, travel, home decor and interior design, fashion, food and beverages, DIY crafts. Most items in these groups are physical, not digital, and evergreen. So people will always seek information and inspiration from them, extending your pin's longevity on the channel. If you're getting any value from this video, please hit the like button in order to support me to keep making videos like this for you. Also subscribe and click on the notification bell so that YouTube will notify you whenever I publish a new video. Step 3. Join an affiliate marketing program. Once you have selected a niche, now it's time to choose a relevant affiliate marketing program. Affiliate marketers need to join at least one program to promote goods on the merchant's behalf and earn passive income. The fastest way is to do a Google search, such as sports affiliate program. Begin with a general category first, then dig deeper into sub niches. As you review each program thoroughly, you will recognize whether its primary products or services work for Pinterest affiliate marketing. A newbie should always check these assets when considering an affiliate marketing program. A wide variety of high quality products. Reasonable commission rate per sale, per click, or per action. Standard cookie length of about 30 plus days. Low to no payment threshold. Below $50. Dedicated affiliate support from a team or manager. If you cannot choose any program through self-search, try joining an affiliate network for more options. Digistore 24, Share a Sale, CJ Affiliate, Rakuten Advertising, and more are networks that contain multiple programs in thousands of niches. Step 4. Do Pinterest keyword research. Deciding on a niche is not the end of the task here. You need this extra step to ensure your pins attain high traffic volume. The keyword search bar on Pinterest allows you to find common words people use to find information. Similar to blog posts, Pinterest always includes search engine optimization (SEO). The platform automatically suggests relevant keywords when you enter a random one. That way, you can learn which part of your niche is popular with Pinterest users. What if you want to explore that broad category a little bit? Hit the search bar with that keyword and more sub-niche ideas will show up. See how simple it is to conduct keyword searching on this platform. So, check out what potential customers care about most regarding your affiliate niche. The better you pinpoint their interest, the more engaging your pins are. Step 5. Design pins. Pinterest pins are usually bookmarks for users to save content they love. This part requires a lot of creativity to make it fun and attractive. Have you heard of Canva or Connect Graphic Lab? These online design platforms have a wide range of preset pin templates. Even Pinterest has specific templates based on different kinds of themes. Whether you plan your pins to look modern, minimal, or floral, this platform can offer suitable options. Try to make use of ready-to-use templates since creating them from scratch will take much time and effort. All of them are available to drive organic traffic or run paid ads. So rest assured to do affiliate marketing on Pinterest without a blog. Step 6. Build your Pinterest boards. With all the fantastic pins ready, you need to create boards to gather them in one place. Assuming your chosen niche is home decor, some board titles revolve around this industry to build are bathroom, Christmas decor, table lamps, vintage furniture. Although creating individual mood boards is good for personal branding, it is not the only way to promote your pins. Did you know that the group boards exist on Pinterest? These public collections allow multiple users to share content on one board. Posting on such communities contributes to better exposure since you promote your products to others' audiences. Search for relevant boards in your niche. For example, the Crochet community board with 1.6 thousand plus followers is brilliant for advertising craft or DIY affiliate products. Check out the group board description to see how you can become a contributor. A lot of them require you to follow the board creator. Also, read the terms on posting new content to a group board. If admins do not allow direct affiliate linking, you can use YouTube videos as landing pages. Step 7. Add affiliate links to your pins. The most essential stage in affiliate marketing on Pinterest without a blog is adding affiliate links to your pins. Follow these simple steps to insert links to idea pins and any other type. On your main page, click on Create Pin and upload your media assets. Fill in the pin titles and descriptions using niche related keywords. Enter an affiliate link in the destination link. Click publish to upload immediately or schedule for later. You should also implement some tricks to improve their performance. Use the same affiliate link but make various pins. It will enhance the visual appeal and variety on your boards. Post at different times of the day and remain consistent. It is best to recommend products or services you have personally experienced. If not, make sure they are of high quality with good customer feedback. Disclose to your audiences in pin descriptions that you include affiliate links here. Pin other users' pins to your boards, encouraging them to view these and probably add your pins to their boards. Step 8. track and analyze results. Of course, you cannot finalize everything and just leave them there waiting for traffic. If you want to get more affiliate sales, tracking and analyzing your results is very necessary. This process provides you with real-time insights on your best performing pins, audience interests, user engagement, and other valuable data. As part of improving your affiliate marketing business, you should review integrated Pinterest reports each month. The channel consists of these analytics for a reason, or you can use Google Analytics, especially for those who visit your landing pages via Pinterest. You will grab hold of the product they buy and the generated revenue. Crucial metrics to consider within your evaluation include click-through rate, the percentage of people seeing your pins and clicking them. What type of pins get more clicks? Do pins involving a well-known influencer drive more traffic? On-site time. A high time on site with a low bounce rate proves your pins match the content on your landing page. Conversions. Focus on products you heavily promote and those not being advertised but have high conversion rates, then adjust your strategy. If you are interested in making money on TikTok now and you have less than 10,000 followers, plus you are not in an eligible country for TikTok creativity program, I highly recommend you watch this video next. Make sure to like and subscribe for more videos on how to make money online. Thank you for watching and see you in the next video.